DeepSeek. It's all over the internet right now, but what exactly is it? DeepSeek is a large language model like ChatGPT, or some might argue, even better. You'll see why in a bit. This AI has gone viral, and for good reason. It's a Chinese AI startup founded in 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, and despite being in development for a few years, it seemingly arrived overnight when its R1 model dropped on January 20th, shaking up the AI world. The reason? It delivers performance on par with ChatGPT 4.0 but doesn't charge you to use it. No wonder it's the #1 app on the iPhone's App Store right now. DeepSeek's journey started with DeepSeek Coda in November 2023, followed by DeepSeek V2 in May 2024. The latter disrupted the Chinese AI market with its aggressively low pricing, forcing competitors to drop their prices. Today, the company's leading LLMs are DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1. Both models deliver strong performance while using fewer resources, thanks to how they've been built. DeepSeek V3 is a general-purpose model, while DeepSeek R1 specializes in reasoning tasks. The rapid development of DeepSeek's LLMs is due to its unique training process, which relies on trial and error to self-improve. Essentially, these models learn similarly to how humans do, by receiving feedback on their actions. They also utilize a mixture of experts architecture, activating only a small fraction of their parameters at any given time. This makes them significantly more efficient and reduces computational costs. One of DeepSeek's biggest selling points is that it's completely free, at least in chatbot form. Unlike ChatGPT+, you don't need a subscription. The chatbot defaults to DeepSeek V3, but switching to DeepSeek R1 is as simple as clicking the DeepThink R1 button beneath the prompt bar. However, if you want to use DeepSeek professionally, such as through its APIs for coding automation, there is a charge. Currently, it costs just 55 cents per million input tokens and $2.19 per million output tokens, making it far cheaper than OpenAI's API, which costs $15 and $60 respectively. While DeepSeek's LLMs are powerful, its chatbot is still pretty basic compared to ChatGPT in terms of features. Functionally, it works the same way. Type a prompt like, "Tell me about the Stoics," and you'll get an answer. You can refine it with follow-up questions like, "Explain that to me like I'm a 6-year-old. However, what you won't find in DeepSeek are the extra tools that ChatGPT offers. It doesn't generate AI images or videos, and you won't get features like Canvas or custom GPTs such as Instaguru and Designer GPT. If you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you have multiple LLMs to choose from. But with DeepSeek, there are only two: DeepSeek V3 by default and DeepSeek R1 if you manually switch to it. That's something to keep in mind. Another concern that has surfaced is security. Since DeepSeek is a Chinese company, some experts worry about data privacy. Given the controversies surrounding TikTok, some fear that any data collected could be accessed by the Chinese government. Additionally, DeepSeek has already faced some malicious attacks that cause service outages, forcing it to restrict new signups. Despite this, DeepSeek has taken a different approach from many competitors by fully open-sourcing its models under the MIT license. This allows unrestricted commercial and academic use, setting it apart from proprietary models like those from OpenAI. The open-source nature of DeepSeek has contributed to its rapid rise and demonstrates how efficiently AI labs outside the US can now replicate and optimize cutting-edge models. The impact of DeepSeek has been massive. Its advancements have shaken up the AI industry, leading to dramatic market reactions. In fact, when DeepSeek unveiled its V3 model, developed at a fraction of the cost of its US counterparts, concerns arose that demand for Nvidia's high-end GPUs could decline. This triggered a sell-off that wiped nearly $600 billion from Nvidia's market value, the largest single-day loss in US corporate history. Other tech giants, including Broadcom and Microsoft, were also affected. However, the panic was short-lived. Nvidia's stock rebounded by almost 9% the following day, proving that while DeepSeek's efficiency is impressive, it doesn't eliminate the need for Nvidia's hardware. In fact, such innovations may increase the demand for AI processors in the long run. DeepSeek's rise has drawn mixed reactions. Microsoft and OpenAI executives praised its innovation, while Elon Musk expressed skepticism about its long-term viability. Nvidia acknowledged DeepSeek's achievements, emphasizing that they comply with US export controls and highlight new ways to develop AI models. What's clear is that DeepSeek has disrupted the AI landscape, proving that any lead held by US AI labs can now be erased within months. This is a serious challenge for companies reliant on selling proprietary models. Developers can switch platforms easily, and DeepSeek's optimizations offer significant cost savings. The AI industry is evolving at an insane pace, and DeepSeek is just the latest example of how fast things are moving. Whether it will maintain its momentum remains to be seen, but for now it's definitely one of the biggest names in the AI game.